Okay, looks like the data is on Twitter. You know, I should stop streaming to Twitter. Yeah, stop the stream to Twitter. Try not to. Um, okay, try to delete some things off of Twitter. Right now, I'm getting the chat open. Okay, looks like it's sending to YouTube and Twitch. All right, so I don't want to waste any more time. I kind of want to go straight into it. We're kind of like a minute into things, but I'm gonna give you guys my overhead view really quick. Have to do this really quick while the internet browser's open. Okay, so I kind of want to pick up where I left off with you guys. It's been a while. I'm actually working on a devlog for my main channel, but the main reason why I haven't been uploading devlogs to this channel is because I've been producing a lot of shorts, actually. In case you guys don't know, I have a shorts channel. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up in a new window, so I don't have to. And I don't care about replaying audio from my videos because I have a couple of different announcements to make with this video, basically. Okay, go here to channels. Those are my subscriptions. And Virtual Monsters RPG. Here we go. I have a shorts channel, and what I do is I upload daily, sometimes weekly videos of my progress with my video game. And at times I may share that, or I may, this is basically the reason why I haven't uploaded a devlog here on this main channel in a while, especially with the progress of my game, in case anybody was ever wondering. I've been doing mainly tutorials for the longest of time, and I basically want to do more devlogs. I want to get back to producing content for this channel. That's why I'm doing a live stream today. For anyone that wants to attend, I'm just going to give you guys overall progress of my project and what I've been up to. But I do want to get back to producing devlogs for this channel. Currently busy with a lot of things. So that's why I haven't been able to produce content for this channel, but I will be producing more content for this channel. Trust me, for this main channel. So you guys won't have to deal with so many live streams. I'll be able to produce more tutorials and those type of things. I'll give you guys an inside look to how I built my game and that type of thing. So, yeah. The first thing I want to show you guys is actually my progress for my video game for my Trello board. I usually start off all my live streams with my Trello board. And as you can see, we have nothing left to do in the game. I'm currently working on everything we need to finish up the game, and this is basically it. Like, once I finish up this it's a work in progress. Like, I have the pause menu, I have the HUD, this thing here for game art. I guess technically haven't knocked it. It technically is done, but I haven't checked it off the list because I'm still doing all the UI and artwork for the UI and the HUD and those type of things. So that's the only thing stopping right now. You guys could go ahead, leave messages in the chat. Right now, I'm not going to look at the chat because I'm showing you guys my browser view. As you see, I have the Restream dashboard over here. So, yeah, you guys can leave messages in the chat if you're stopping by. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Right now, I really want to focus on this, just to give you guys a quick update. So, game art, inventory system, already kind of have an inventory system. This is why making lots of projects is very a good thing, especially when you're a video game developer, is to make a bunch of small games, because essentially if you create a small project, when you do try to make a big project, you can take code from that smaller project, and you can apply it to your game, especially if there's similar genres. You know, the last game I made was a small RPG. Now I'm making a big, well, I was making a big RPG to begin with, but you guys get the point. I'm able to use this inventory system that I created. A lot of code and stuff that I did for that previous game, I can transfer to this game essentially, and I guess that's why I learned making that small game. You can find it on Game Joe and Itch right now. It's a free download, Dragon Ball Z Ultimate, and you guys already know about that. And that's also another thing. I need to make a devlog about that. There's a lot of video content that I want to make for my channel, my main channel, but I haven't been able to do it because A, I work a job, B, between actually working and actually developing, I don't have a lot of time to make content. That's why I started my shorts, and that's why I upload consistently on, a lot of different platforms. That's why I started producing shorts, because it's easier for me to just make a short and then go on and go work on different content. I think the shorts channel has also been a great thing because it's just producing those shorts on a weekly basis. Sometimes it's a little bit better than actually making full length devlogs, even though I get more views on those devlogs. But I think that's mainly because people prefer versus the hour content that I give you with the live streams. I think some people prefer 20 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes to explain what I did versus 30 seconds. I get more in-depth detail with the devlog. There's more footage. There's a lot of different transitions and those type of things. So yeah, what I'm showing you guys is that I basically have majority of the game done right now. Working on all the things for the overworld. Probably need to move that up first, because actually, before I do any of that, I'm gonna do it like that actually, and then work on that, then that. But essentially, this is all I need to finish the game. Once all this is done, it's pretty much just world building at that point. When I get to this NPC text dialogue, at that point, I will be working on a lot of level design and world building. So once I get to the AI and NPC text and even the inventory system, I think actually I should put the AI, should do it like that. Okay, yeah, maybe I should do it. No, actually, let's do it in between here. So right now, reason why we're doing the pause menu is because we're working on the virtual drive apps actually. So these are all the apps that I have, and I actually have them done and that type of thing. See, so we'll be coding functionality to this project this month. This is created June 6th. So I have all this pretty much set up already. Go ahead, cancel. I don't know why I set that. So I'm just working on the artwork and coding the functionality for those menus. Once that's done, pretty much these two here will be done. I'm going to keep it up because I still have to do the artwork for the UI for these two systems here. But other than that, even this here quest system, I have to do the artwork for that. Right now, it's just a bunch of artwork that I have to do, and normally I would live stream it, but the program that I'm using, the update that it gave me, it currently blocks me from live streaming, so that's why I don't do that. So that's why I haven't been doing a lot of content live. Otherwise, I've been showing you guys a lot more. But I wanted to show you guys that. But then, if you check the link below, I also want to show you guys this here. Is that that's my Gmail account. But basically, this here is the Virtual Monsters beta test, essentially. And I don't really care about people knowing that. But you can find the link inside the description box, so you can find that. And you can, if you guys want to, of course, you need to register from my website at mwindustries.com. You can find the links to everything in the description below. I made sure for this live stream to have those links inside of the description. So you can find that. I'm gonna get rid of that there. So like you just have to fill out this form here, and once I have a few more documents, have to get a few more documents ready, and then of course you have to also sign up for the website. You need an MW Industries account, so you can't just fill out this form and expect to get like expect to get. I'm you know I'm giving away some stuff with this also. I'm not going to tell you guys what, but I'm giving away some stuff as well. So if you sign up, there's going to be rewards. And yeah. Let's see what else. What else can I? What else can I say? Okay, so yeah, basically fill out this form if you want to become a beta tester. It's no, it asks you here to sign an NDA, so I have to get those ready, and that's what I'm working on outside of this. So once I get those ready, I'll be sending out emails to people and asking people to basically join, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So yeah. Okay. So the next thing I want to show you guys. So that's just a beta test. You can find the links to that in the description below. The next thing I want to show you guys is that I actually have some merch for sale. If you guys want to check this out, it's the official Virtual Monsters tee. If you guys just want to help out or that type of thing, show your support for my project and those sorts, then I greatly appreciate that. If not, not that big a deal. I'm just saying it's there. If you want to help out. So we have links to everything in the description below. You can find this on the website as well. So yeah, we'll be good with that. And then finally, what I want to show you guys is I actually have I produced the first part of the Virtual Monsters album. So if you want to go ahead and like listen to that, you could you can pretty much YouTube search Codemaster Jamal and the album should pick up. You should also be able to look up Virtual Monsters Soundtrack Part 1, and that should also pick up as well. So that's what we're going to be listening to today. And we got so many things done already we're going to be listening to that today. So I'm going to let you guys listen to this. And we got so much done. We have the options, player instantiation, character creation system. We need to work on this a little bit because there's something I want to add to the character. But then, this is still working because there's more textures and stuff like that I want to do for the game. But for alpha, those textures probably won't be in the game. So I'm going to be working on the alpha stage of the game. But most of the stuff here, occlusion culling, overworld camera, game cursor, AI follow, overworld controls, batching and GPU instancing, server manager, optimization. I've done all these things here. These were very, very important things, but they were very, very micro things for the game. But this is just it's like Unity has an engine, but you can kind of modify the engine. So I switched things in the universal render pipeline. I did a lot of different things underneath the hood of this game in order to make it run and optimize faster. So it should be a pretty stable gameplay across different computers. And that's the real reason why I want to get this thing into the alpha stage. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started with some stuff. So, if you look at the title of... Okay, if you look at the title of the video, it's titled Virtual Drive Themes and Listening to New Album. So that's what we're going to be doing. I've been waiting to kind of this is the music for Virtual Monsters. Essentially. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm working on different themes for the virtual drive, and this one here is just one theme that I have. You'll have different themes to be able to choose from. Okay, so you can see what kind of like the soundtrack sounds like. I'm letting it run, by the way. Right now I have it on loop. After it goes through the loop one time, I'm gonna put it on shuffle. Okay, this I haven't talked for a minute, but let me go ahead and talk because I'm almost done with this live stream. This one here is supposed to be the abstract one. Let me go ahead and see about something. This one here is actually kind of tricky to do, just because I'm trying to figure out which piece is which piece. This one's actually a little harder to do, so I think for now, I'm actually just gonna leave it like this. And I'll work on it more later. Like here, like what I want to do is kind of mark some of these pieces, so that way I know. And this is why this thing's so difficult. Cause let's go and see. It's supposed to be left side, yellow. Look at that angle. Okay, cool, good. Okay, looks like we're still broadcasting. We play. Well, I'm kind of like looking over a few things right now. I'm going to give a little bit of commentary because this is like the last theme that I had to do for the virtual drive. So I may cut it out after this, actually, once I get this basic, these colors down. I was just thinking about how to go about doing certain things. And, oops. Here we go here. I'm going to do this here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and mark all these squares. Okay. I guess if I want to go about coloring this later, I can start with this and then sort of work my way around it. But I'm not going to be able to do it in this program. I'm going to go ahead, save as. This is supposed to be the abstract virtual soul. So, yeah, that was the whole purpose behind that. And I guess I'm going to go ahead and kind of do the same thing over again, but with the female version. So with all of them so far, there's been like a male version of the virtual drive and then a female version of the virtual drive. And that's kind of how I've been going about doing things. So those are basically where the themes are coming from. So I designed a bunch of themes and paint that. Well, yeah, I colored a bunch of. I already came up with a layout for the virtual drive, but I colored a bunch of things in the virtual drive, and then afterwards, I kind of exported Unity. Right now, you can see them as UI, but I want to represent the virtual drive in 3D for people. So the next thing I want to do actually is, let's see, we still streaming? We may have stopped. Oh my goodness, did we stop streaming? Did we stop streaming? Someone must have cut off the internet. No, it looks like we're still streaming. Okay. Okay, good. As long as we're still streaming. You know, the whole point of this stream was just to show you guys, you know, the music. We have a Virtual Monster soundtrack, so we'll be playing more of my music during my live streams. Hopefully you guys like them. Hopefully you guys listen to them, and go check it out. Like, I'm not asking you to buy anything. Just go ahead and listen to it. You know. Right now, let's see something. I'm only going to be streaming to Twitch and YouTube from now on. I won't be streaming to what's that place called? I won't be streaming to any other platforms but that, actually. So that'll be the thing. Like I said, you know, always looking for people to help out. just marking these because later on I'm going to figure out how to color all the boxes properly. Okay, so I actually want to work on these designs a bit more. I think there's like a few things stopping me right now, mainly knowing like where certain layouts and stuff like that exist. I think I might go in and probably mark it a few more times before I export it to paint.net. Let me turn this down a little bit. I actually really like this song. I wrote this song. So I'm actually going to be ending the live stream like right here actually. I think I did quite a few designs today. I actually finished majority of them. I just have to finish up the ones for the abstract because I made kind of a kooky design for them because they're abstract. But you know, I went kind of overboard, but I guess I needed to use 4 colors in order to match it out. But yeah, this is a lot harder to do in 3D. So I'm gonna figure out where all the squares are, and we're gonna import it to paint.net and paint it, and that'll be like the end of it. Layout. And, you know, kind of looks like this. You can see it, but it's not a big deal. So I'm just gonna go ahead, save, and well, Everyone that tuned in, thanks for stopping by. Once again, I'm going to show you guys, I have merch, I have an album, I also have I have a few things for you guys to check out if you can. Try listening to the music. This is all music for the video game. So thanks for everybody. Thanks for everyone stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. Till next time, this is Codemaster Jamal. Keep making games.